Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to manage the platform and its basic functions. To start with, you're going to need a professional healthcare account in Cognifit. And if you don't have one already, then you can watch our tutorial video called How to Create an Account for Professionals. Once we have our account, we should know that Cognifit offers two main types of products: assessment batteries and training programs. Both have an online format, so they can be done either during an in-person session with a patient or remotely from their homes. They can be done on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Assessment batteries are a convenient tool to know the state of our patient's different cognitive abilities. We have different types, but they always consist of two sections: questionnaires and neuropsychological tasks. The most complete assessment is the General Cognitive Assessment Battery, CAB Pro, which consists of a questionnaire about physical, psychological, and social well-being, and a total of 17 neuropsychological tasks based on classic cognitive evaluation tests. It has an approximate duration of 30 to 40 minutes, and it evaluates the 22 cognitive skills associated with the domains of coordination, reasoning, attention, memory, and perception. Additionally, we offer shorter evaluations for each of those domains or specific areas such as reading comprehension, driving, and evaluation of the cognitive skills of older adults. Beyond assessment batteries, Cognifit also offers a series of classic individual tasks, such as the Erickson Flanker task, the Tower of Hanoi, or the trail making test from the platform. You can also apply available questionnaires individually, such as the GAD-7, the PHQ-9, or the ASRS. Training programs are a tool that allows you to stimulate the different cognitive abilities of patients in an entertaining way and track their improvements. If the patient has previously undergone any evaluation, then the Cognifit system will take this into consideration when creating the initial training plan. In addition, thanks to the Individualized Training System, ITS, the Cognifit system will adjust the training plan session by session to suit each patient's specific needs. Now, each session is about 10 minutes long, and it consists of 2 brain-stimulating games and an assessment task. The games are going to stimulate a particular cognitive ability, and the task afterwards, the assessment, what that does is evaluate your level for the next time you play. Now, the games are supposed to be just difficult enough to challenge you, but not so difficult that you get frustrated, and Cognifit will adapt to these needs. Now, the most complete training program is the personalized program. Now, this emphasizes the 22 cognitive skills, and you cover all of them in order to train in a very complete way. If Cognifit detects that you're weak in some area, or there's one area that needs building up, then it will keep giving you games to stimulate that particular area. Alternatively, you can select an area to work on and take one of our specialized training programs such as memory, coordination, or reasoning. In the Patients tab, you can see the cognitive results of our patients and download their reports. You can learn more about this in the video, How to View My Patients' Results. In the Care Plans tab, you can invite new patients. You can learn more about this in the videos, How to Invite Patients and How to Import a Patient Database. In the Groups tab, you can create groups to better organize your patients, as well as see general aspects of the patients you add to each group. In the Premium Settings tab, you can access the advantages of having a premium account, such as adding your logo, managing associated accounts, or creating your own trainings. You can learn more about premium features in the video Premium Features for Healthcare Professionals. In the Documentation tab, you can consult the user manual for healthcare professionals and relevant data on the CAB General Cognitive Assessment. In the upper right menu, the 3 horizontal white lines, you will have access to Preferences, where you can change your email, password, and other interesting data. The Messages section to communicate directly with your patients through the Cognifit platform, and the Try Exercises option. In this section, you can try all of Cognifit's cognitive stimulation games yourself, seeing what cognitive skills they train, and trying out different difficulty levels, etc. Of course, if you have any further queries, don't hesitate to contact us at support@cognifit.com. I hope this video has been useful to you, so see you next time.